Hello everyone, Jay here. I am at the beach. I have the MX7. We are set to beach mode, sensitivity of 8. Let's find all the goodies. Alright. Look at that tooth. Smooth all the way around. Into the pouch. One more tooth. Alright, look at this one. Here's a tooth. And here is another one. This is the first. Right next to each other. They always have a friend. Oh man. Should really start using my scoop. Little lemon tooth shark. Lemon shark tooth. Bull shark tooth. Oh yeah. Finding more teeth than I am targets. Alright. First signal. Oh, 18. And I see it. Thought I was gonna get to dig. Beaver tail into the pouch. Alright, where was it? Alright, is this tooth? Nope. But this is sand tiger tooth. Finally, I got a solid 60 Z penny signal. Let's get it. 2.5 inches right there. Shake, shake, shake. Yeah, I didn't get skunked. One crusty penny. It's got shell stuck on it. It's pretty awesome. You see it? Is this one? That's not a tooth. This one is. Into the pouch. I have a 16 nickel signal. Let's get it. 2.5 inches. Oh, I see it. Beaver tail. Into the pouch. Oh man, this busted up tooth. It's a fragment. Into the pouch. Alright, this might be the best tooth today. Alright, so yes, I look for shark teeth in between targets. What are you guys doing between targets? I used to just zone out. But my brother showed me that there are shark teeth around. And it's quite enjoyable. And I have a 10, 12 foil signal. 3 inches right here. Still a solid 12. Shake, shake, shake. I'm not seeing anything. Beaver tail was stuck to the back of a shell. have a 16 nickel signal. Let's get it. Four inches right here. Let's get this beaver tail. It's gotta be a beaver tail, right? The last two 16s I got were beaver tails. Shake, shake, shake. Alright, beaver tail, where are you? I thought I did. There it is. One folded up beaver tail. Oh man, look at this one. It's a pretty one. Is that a lemon shark tooth? I think so. Another pouch. I have a 26 pull tab signal. Let's get it. Oh man, it's overload. What can that be? Oh, I see it. One ring pull into the pouch. Right. We have a 12. I forgot what a 12 was. Was that just the beaver tail or was that the ring pull? We're about to find out. I don't see anything. Oh, 12 is a beaver tail, standalone beaver tail. Into the pouch. Here we go. Here's something I haven't shown before. This looks like a turtle scute or a part of a turtle shell that's fossilized. Into the pouch. I almost stepped over this one. I saw it shine in the sunlight. Into the pouch. Alright, I have a 08 foil. I think I see it. Cancel off? Yes, it is. Into the pouch. Bottom of the day. You see it? It's in the 50s and overload. Into the pouch. I was facing sharp side up. I have a 62, 65 penny signal. 1 inch, 1.5 inches. Alright, no more half kicks. I just kicked it over there. Oh, I see it. Alright, and it looks like it is a penny. This guy. Holy cow. Into the pouch. Next to the penny was a, where is it? Where'd you go? There we are. Nickel signal. 1 inch. Oh, I think I see it. It is a nickel. Into the pouch. Oh man, there's another one. Three and a half inches right here. One more nickel. Not getting skunked today. This tooth in between footprints. I have a 24 nickel signal. Jumpy. 2 inches. Had a wobble to it. Kind of like that last pull tab. The pull tab beaver tail combo. Let's get it. But that's what it is. Alright. That's what it is. Into the pouch. We have a jumpy signal. Goes from penny to, well, stabilized on penny. Solid 62. 1 inch right here. Shake, shake, shake. And it is one more crusty penny. Alright, that is definitely a tooth. It's worn down at the tip, but still counts. Right next to my drag trail and my footprints, I see this. Alright, all the way up here, baking in the sun. One more tooth. This might be the biggest one I have today. I have a 22 nickel signal. Let's get it. 5.5 inches right there. That was a weird sounding one. Shake, shake, shake. Another ring pull. Into the pouch. Right next to my drag mark, I have, oh wow, the dullest tooth I've ever found. Into the pouch. One more sand tiger. Into the pouch. 2 teeth? Nope. Just one. I'll take it. I have a 24 nickel signal. Here we are. Let's get it. It's gotta be they hit overload. Of course, it's my favorite. It's a ring. Ring pull. Into the pouch. Now that is the prettiest color sea glass I've ever found. That's awesome. Alright, I have a 12 foil signal. Let's get it. Right here. Pull tab, beaver tail. Let's get it. Alright, I don't see it at all. Oh, there it is. And it is a beaver tail. Man, I got a nice collection today. I have a jumpy miscellaneous signal, 5760. Let's get it. Wow. Let's get it. Shake, shake, shake. All right. One more crunchy penny. Look at that one's got stuff Just grown on it. So nobody's been on this beach in a while, at least detecting. Welcome to the wrap-up. I had another great day at the beach. I had a fun day at the beach digging ring pulls and beaver tails. When I wasn't digging those, I did find a whole bunch of shark teeth, a turtle scute, or a part of a turtle shell, a bunch of shark teeth, and 4 pennies and 2 nickels. If you liked what you saw, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, my friends.